currently the chairperson of the IIID Hyderabad Regional Chapter for the term 2021-2023. IIID Hyderabad Regional Chapter is bringing to the entire twin cities of Hyderabad their biggest showcase event, the IIID Design Showcase Insider X 2022. It is happening on the 3rd, 4th and 5th of June at Hightex Exhibition Grounds. It will be held from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. on all the 3 days. The first 2 days are purely going to be for business visitors, namely the architects, interior designers, contractors, developers, builders, everyone who's got something to do with the interior design industry, who wants to set up stylish homes, offices, because the latest products and solutions are going to be displayed from across the globe and India in this showcase, which is being held in 2 halls of the exhibition. Nearly 120 exhibitors are going to display their products and solutions. We have also kept a slot for the interested public of Hyderabad from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. where they can come and see what are the latest technologies and trends. On Sunday, the 5th of June, we are going to have the entire day open to both business visitors and the general public. Besides, a lot of students and educational institutions are also participating by conducting through their workshops which we have conducted for the exhibition. The central theme is going to be Telangana Arts and Crafts. And for the arts and crafts, we have curated a theme pavilion with the crafts of Telangana like leather, cheriyal, pembatri metal, and also the Pochampalli loom. These are the central theme of the pavilion. A very nice bamboo pavilion is being created through a bamboo workshop which is happening currently, and it will culminate into the design of the IIID pavilion. And we are expecting Chief Secretary of Telangana Government, B. Sumesh Kumar Garu. He is the chief guest for the inauguration at 11 a.m. on 3rd of June. Arvind Kumar Garu, who is the IAS and Principal Secretary for MAUD, will be the guest of honor for the keynote address at Avasa Hotel, where architect Naresh Narsimham will be the keynote address. IID President Jabin Zacarias is also attending the show, along with chairpersons of 30 chapters from across the country are also attending the show. The valedictory will be held on 4th of June at Hightex, and Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, Principal Secretary for IT and Industries, IAS officer, will also be the chief guest for the show. So we invite the entire twin cities of Hyderabad, all the people who are part of the design community, designers, architects, builders, professionals, consultants from our supporting organizations, everyone to participate and visit this show, and for all the people who are willing to set up their new homes and offices also to be part. So thank you everyone, and see you at the show on 3rd, 4th and 5th of June. Thank you.